GES Biotek's partners in the field provide all the top quality components you'll need to install and maintain your biofilter media beds and keep them operating at peak performance. Air distribution floors provide uniform air distribution and low pressure drop across the media bed. Trench covers provide uniform floor depth over air conveyance piping. Irrigation systems evenly disperse influent across the media bed to maximize your biofilter's efficiency. Our porous CraterMax media serves as the system's moisture cover and part of the ecosystem for the growth of microorganisms. High-performance GeoNet screens serve as a support layer between biofilter media and stone media to limit mitigation of particles and improve flow capacity. Learn more about our biofilter components, odor control media, and biofilter installation and maintenance services. Contact GES Biotek or visit gesbiotek.com today.